Why do you think people love mochais so much?
I think it's a mixture of everything. It's about the kind of drinks that we have, the kind of food that we have.
Let's get let's get let's get let's get scratching. Let's get scratching. Let's get scratching.
So I'm Sharina. I'm the co-founder at Mokai. I started the brand with my husband Mohit. He's also been from the hospitality industry, which sort of helped me out because I had zero idea about hospitality. I was a skincare consultant before this. When I moved to Mumbai from London, I loved the cafe scene that was going on. The only problem that I had was everything felt like a copy paste. The real version, like what I would tell others, is Mocha is an Asian coffee house. It's an experimental cafe. We like to cover different flavors of Asia on a plate, pair them together to get the best flavors. With drinks, we've done the same thing. We've gone to an extent where we source different ingredients from different countries to give the closest flavors possible. For example, the boba comes from Taiwan, the matcha comes directly from Uji, which is in Japan, and the Thai milk tea, the tea that we use is a brand from Thailand again. So yeah, it's like a mixture of all these places. So this is our 14-hour slow drip. As you see, it's gonna keep dripping for 14 hours slowly, and whatever that's left over there is what we make our 14-hour slow drip from. We use beans that we get from, different parts of the world. There is Colombia, there is again Chikmagalur, which is one of the best places to get coffee from. Brazil. We keep using different types of coffees for this, and yeah, it's like a more concentrated version of coffee. It's a little high on caffeine, but really good for a slow morning. जब मोकाई start करे थे, मोकाई का thought नहीं आया था. We started with the fact that we want to do something. We wanted to create a cafe, but it was going to be an Italian coffee house first, where we were gonna do pastas, pizzas, all of that. But it was just not hitting. Like, I was not as satisfied with it. And that's when we realized, where Mohit and I, we were like, we're going to all these cafes. You are getting pastas in places. You are getting, what is it that we are filling in? What is there outside that you don't get? And that's when we realized we need to do something a little more personal, a little more different. And then we conceptualized Mokai, which is very much inspired by different parts of Asia. I personally lived in different parts of Asia, and I wanted to get my nostalgic childhood on a plate here. So basically, this is a manual pour-over machine that we purchased from Dubai. It's actually a Korean machine, and it's the first time that it's come to India. This is the purchase I was talking about earlier. It is basically a machine that's all about precision, consistency, and for someone who has black coffee, I think this serves one of the best black coffees in the country.
I absolutely love the matcha over here. Tried the Bali matcha and just ordered another one.
Honestly, my favorite dish is the chili garlic noodles. And I love that about this place because I feel like it's so comforting and it's like a bowl that satisfies every craving of mine.
So I'm here to try Milo Tiramisu Ice Latte. And I'm here to meet Suraksha.
This drink, the blueberry one, it's also great with the popping bobas.
From outside, we wouldn't think like the place would be so great. After coming over, so great.
So I just ordered a Vietnamese coffee and the chili garlic noodles, and I think these are my new favorite now over here.
And when it comes to drinks, I really like the matcha miso over here.
Raspberry matcha with mochi. So I ordered katsu sando and it was amazing.
I love the wait staff. They're so friendly and hospitable, and they make you feel so welcomed and like you're at home.
So this Valorilla Ice Latte, which is currently my favorite.
I love the drinks and the ambience of this place, and I think my most favorite thing is the whole matcha bar situation. I think it's very aesthetic, very new, and I think it's gonna work really well.
The kimchi fried rice. But like the matchas, like they were amazing. And we also saw how they were making it and we loved it. It was an experience.
Oh yeah,
We need to go back to Manipal, so yeah. And Mocha is a must try, so anyone coming to Mumbai should come here. Bye.
bye.
Mokai का मतलब है, so mocha means coffee and I is love in Japanese and Chinese. Day one,
Yeah.
I tell you, changes focus on G4 now, they've been calling me up. Day one was, it was very interesting. I was sleeping because I just refused to wake up. I was very scared. So I'll tell you a fun story. There was this man who came in, who saw the spaces almost made, painted from outside, vibrant looking, beautiful space. But we were not operating. And for superstitious reasons, I wanted someone to bill on the opening day. Pehle kisko bill nahi karenge. So the guy stood 4 stars. He was like, let me come in. You know, I just want to see what you guys are offering and stuff. So he came in and I was like, okay, chalo, we'll give him something on the house. We'll get feedback also. Came in, he tried food. He came to me and he was like, Karina, even though you didn't ask, I just thought I'll tell you. By the way, what does Mokai even mean? You guys have not put Asian Coffee House and all of that. You know, you talk about other brands. See how other brands have, it's a cafe outside. But I'm like, but that's them. This is us. Why should I copy what they are doing? Like, this is our version of it, you know? Your mocha also was like, okay. It was very rich in flavor. And then I was like, okay. Feedback, okay, we have 1 day to work on this, where one person's feedback just changed my mind and I thought that everything that I worked on is not good. So I was purposely sleeping till 9 a.m. that day. The cafe opened around 8. Mohit rushed, thankfully. And you know, as soon as I woke up, I asked him, koi aaya? He's like, nahi aaya. Then 9:15 I called him, aaya? He's like, no, nobody's come yet. He's like 9:30, then this one family came in. First customers, 3 people, husband, wife, and they came with their niece. They went to the space, they took pictures around the space. They couldn't stop praising on how thoughtfully the place was made and how sweet the staff was. I mean, I remember Mohit telling me that, you know, we gave him a breakfast item. They were Jain, so they wanted everything vegetarian, and they were blown. They said, we've not been to a place like that in Mumbai before this. The uniforms that you see are inspired, I mean, blue-orange designed for us because we wanted to give an experience and everything. We have 2 uniforms in the day. This uniform heavily takes inspiration from the Japanese culture. It also has a turtle that signifies slow brewing. And then in the morning, we have Japanese-inspired kimono night dress. So normally people wear night dress at home. We wanted Mokai to feel at home. The social media, I should thank God that people gave us so much love. Social media was a huge role that it played, but again, it's a tool. People are not gonna eat your social media posts or drink your reels. The first year that we started, if you go on our social media, you're gonna see a lot of food photos, a lot of interior photos, a lot of like new menu stuff. We would do like every 3 months we have a new menu that comes in. So it was that. And ideally, a restaurant should do that. You know, that's how norms are in general. But when we wanted to, sorry, 1 second, it'll just come out.
What is going on in the subconscious? Because no matter like the fact that we're doing this,
Yeah.
you're always making sure that the business is running.
This will never stop. Like this, like right now, there is who's waiting, why are they not getting tables? First thing I'm going to get up, go ask them what's happening with the tables, why are people waiting? Like I think for other people, they must be taking pride in lines. I'm scared. I don't like it. Like I love the fact that people come and they stand and it really means a lot. I thank God for it, but I don't take pride in it. For me, my major concern is them getting seated within 5 minutes of them coming. Like for me, I'm happy with that. Start kiya staff reels. Point was very heavily inspired by Office because I used to watch Office while Mokai was getting built. The only thing that would make me laugh was Office. Then when I thought everything settled down, let's get into it. What's something different that we can do that others don't do? Then we started making staff reels inspired by Office. Then it got a lot of love. I mean, for us at that time, 200-300 likes. We were like, oh, you know, 300 people liked it. So initially it took us a while. Then the 4th episode came out, which went semi-viral at that time. For me, it was very viral. For me, I was like, oh my God, 100k views, wow. And then Ori commented on that period. Like I got some validation on what we were doing. So that then made us very happy. And from there, then we further started doing this.
एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था, लाइक मैं जा रही थी स्कूटी में और एक 4-व्हीलर थे और वो जस्ट पैंग 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 बजा रहे थे. तो मैं बोला यार ये क्यों बजा रही हो, मतलब कैसे जाओगे, उड़ के जाओगे क्या तुम लोग. मेरा ऐसा था कि क्यों, मतलब आगे ट्रैफिक ही था, वो बजा रही थी मेरा पैंग पैंग वगैरह. तो मेरा ऐसा मैंने जस्ट ऐसा पीछे मुड़ा और उन्होंने वो खिड़की को नीचे किया उनका और बोले कि सुरक्षा सुरक्षा बिग फैन और ऐसा हाथ मेरा शीट मतलब वो मेरे लिए एकदम क्रेज था और उन्होंने मतलब स्पेशली वो वहाँ से मेरे साथ आए और यू टर्न करके फिर चले गए। तभी मुझे फिर ऐसा लगा कि हाँ शायद तक वो ज़्यादा ही वायरल हो गई हूँ मैं। मोकाई बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब नहीं मतलब वर्ड ही डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं मोकाई क्या है मेरे लिए।
So this wall is our grind, the collabs that we've had. When you go on our Instagram, you'll also be able to see the celebrities who we've done collabs with. One of my favorite collaborations have to be the Ori one, where it was very random. Out of nowhere, he agreed and he did a brilliant job on screen. So yeah, he's one of the nicest people that I've met from the industry, and we've been fortunate enough to meet quite a few of them. So he's probably one of my favorites. So this is our wellness matcha bar. So yeah, this is a literal tray where we have our matcha tea ceremony, and you're going to see India's first floating matcha bar, which is where we also serve face masks. That is deeply taking inspiration from the Japanese and Korean face mask culture. Because matcha is all about antioxidants, wellness, we wanted to sort of make the experience further more elaborative, where we could add different experiences in it. So for example, say a face mask, we do have an LED mask, face mask, sheet mask, all of that, which normally people wouldn't expect. And that's Gaurav, by the way. And that's Mama. He's one of my favorite people in Mokai. He's been there with us since a while now, and he has the most beautiful smile. Every time you open a door in Mokai, you're transported to a different world. So from outside, there's a vibrant painting. Inside, muted walls with art installations. When you come on the first floor, there's a home, there's a wellness matcha bar. Bharat's like a house door and a mailbox. When you open the washing machine door, that's transporting you to the streets of Tokyo. That the mirrors signify the amount of people looking at you while you're walking on the streets. Because Tokyo is one of the most it is the most populated city in the world, the last I checked. And as you further go inside, you're going to see these branding, these packagings that are inspired by the future of Japan. And because Japan lives in 2050, as everyone says. So we have a lot of like branding and packaging that's done. As you go further inside, there's like that button that we knew people will press it. We knew people will press the do not press because people love doing all of that. That takes them to the karaoke culture, the KTV culture that's very famous in Japan, China, and Korea. The whole idea is that the karaoke culture there, it's like it changes the mood as soon as you go inside. There are like funky lights, there's a TV, you can sing. So here what we did was you can literally press the button and that it says the song is going to play, and then you can actually sing along with the song party inside. It's inspired by the karaoke is there. Yeah, we started with one outlet. This one's the second one, the Pali Hill, Mokai Pali Hill is the second one. And you know, when the team came on board, when training happened, which was around 3 to 4 months before we opened, funnily, it was a team of 26. So I used to call them my special Chabbis. And वो special 26 का almost 95 लोगों की team बन गई, मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा. I remember the first day we had around 100 walk-ins, 50 to 100 walk-ins. Now, on a weekday, it goes up to 850 to 1,000. And on a weekend, a lot. The first day sales when we were in Chapel Road space in a 60-seater, when we were almost 30-40% occupied the whole day. Must be around 95,000 or 1 lakh.
Complete this sentence for me. Mokai is?
Mokai is for everyone. You'll see a baby who's barely, I think the youngest baby we've seen is 5 or 6 months. You'll see an auntie who is probably in her 70s or 80s. You'll see a teenager, which is going to be a lot of them. You're going to see a father who's around 40 to 50. You're going to see every age group here. And as I mentioned, it is home, so you'll feel like you're at home. These are all things that you get at home. Maybe it's a little too elevated. It's a little quirky home. It's Mokai's home, so it had to be a little quirky. You're going to see pandas. By the end of it, you also get a piglet with a book, and we are asking for tips, but not tips that are money. That is money. Tips that help us get better. So tips about the space, about feedback, about food. and we get to read a lot of fun messages in it. So it's like literally, because tips go inside the piggy bank, it's because feedback is valuable to us and everything valuable goes inside a piggy bank. We ask for feedback that then goes inside that. So you'll see a cute piglets around the space as well. And as much as I'd like to say that this is Mokai for you, but no amount of video can actually talk what's gone behind the space. So you have to come and experience it to see what we've done. And yeah, this is your cue to come try Mokai, because Mokai is for everyone.